Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprises Play, and today is my birthday. I just finished opening birthday presents from my boyfriend, and he got me quite a few of my favorite dolls off of my wish list, and I actually cried. So I have quite a few ideas to do unboxings for you guys, but I wanted to do my first idea that I've had for a while, and it is to compare OMG Fierce, so LOL Surprise MGA, and Monster High Haunt Couture, which is by Mattel. And they're both a Cleopatra doll, and they're both boxed right now. And I wanted to show you guys the difference between MGA and Mattel. So MGA is loud and extra, whereas Monster High is bold and gorgeous. So they both have art on their box, similar art. It's really pretty. I love it. They have the hieroglyphs. They have, you know, little mummies. And yeah, so I wanted to read the back of this Cleopatra, and it says, most queens become legends years after their time, but Cleopatra was a legend during her reign. She was an icon of leadership and style, known for always making a statement and being fearless in the face of challenges. This golden queen inspires us with her brilliance, beauty, and incredible ability to surprise the world. Over 2,000 years later, we still celebrate Cleopatra as a symbol of what it truly means to be fierce. And I think that is so sweet. So her box opens, well, let me show you guys a little better. Her box opens from the top, and it opens out like a scarab. And this is what it looks like. So cool. And it even opens more. Oh, that's crazy. Ah! So here is her in her box. This is awesome. This is cool. Like, here, I'll show you. Here she is. Look at her. I'm keeping this box art. Whoa. These dolls are so pretty. I just love them. I love dolls. Okay, and so before we get this doll out, we're going to get Cleo out. So this is Cleo from Monster High. It's just Cleo. Cleo Denial is her name. And she also has a diary of such. So it says, this diary belongs to Cleo Denial. The punishment is quite severe for reading a royal diary without permission. So let's just open up the first page. It says, Cleo Denial, age 5,842 years. Monster parent is the mummy. Her killer style is, I'm a true Egyptian princess, complete with headdress, exotic jewelry, and oh yeah, the occasional stray bandage wrapping. Which I'm gonna show you guys her, so while I'm reading this. She's beautiful. Like, they're very similarly boxed. Their arms out. Her biggest pet peeve when someone refuses to obey me. So her BFFs are Deuce and Gulia Yelps. So Cleo also has a certificate of certificate of authenticity. And what that is a certificate that shows this is the doll that was made by the creators, and you have proof of that with these dolls. So it's a good thing to keep if you're a collector. And it actually says something on the certificate. So it says, oh my Ra, where have you been? I've been waiting centuries, ... Okay, maybe not centuries, but given my royal stature, I have been kept waiting for far longer than what is acceptable. I'm sure you're dying for full recollection of what I've been wrapped up in. Father always says because of because we are of royal birth, it is our duty to look our absolute best. I'm totally fulfilling my royal duty with this drop-dead gorgeous glittery mummy fringe robe. My jogger set is fit for a queen with a golden mummy wrapped halter and matching high-waisted pants. With chic scarab shoes and accessories, this outfit is enough to make a monster unravel. Claudine Wolfe certainly outdid herself designing this look. Don't you dare tell her I said that. Lest you've forgotten, Cleo Denial waits for no one. So let's creep out again soon, shall we? Cute! I love that. So I'm going to put that back in her box. I don't know if both are gonna fit. There we go, I fit both. Okay, so we have Cleo Mattel and Cleo MGA. And honestly, I don't know which one's better. So we're gonna pull them out, talk about them, and yeah. All right, I have these two dolls here. I wanted to show you the art in the OMG box before I throw it away. It's super pretty. It's not salvageable because it does have these plastic parts, but maybe it is a little salvageable. I could pull those easily with the tape, but I don't know. I might keep it as a background. I think it's really cool. I don't know, but I think it's very beautiful, so I had to show it off. So here is both Cleopatra and Cleo Denial. I think they're beautiful dolls. I don't know where this goes. Oh, Cleo has tape on the back of her head. There we go. I don't know how it attaches. I think you just pull it over her head. I don't like this. Okay, I think you just, whoa, pull it over her head, but I don't want to do that. I want to leave her, well, it might make her look even cooler. Yeah. Well, this is what she would look like with it, but it's really cool because it's decorated on both sides, so I think that's beautiful. And I guess it could go like that. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave her the way she is. So let me tilt this down a little bit so you can see the dolls. The duels. I've been having that stuck in my head ever since watching Mad Dolls. Okay. So, my thoughts already are, I think I like the Monster High doll more. And that's because she's put together a little bit better, whereas the OMG doll is a little bit too extra. I do believe this doll should have stayed in the box. It's a collector doll. I do believe she is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to show you her gorgeous details, but I think I like the Monster High better. So let's just start off with the OMG LOL Fierce doll. So I am not a huge fan of the Fierce dolls because they have a fake ankle articulation and their knee articulation could be a lot better. So it's just a small movement right here. See, small, there you go. That's all you get. You don't get any up high, you know, you don't get any double knee like right here to go even higher. You just have that little I mean, that's something to, you know, to give us more poses, but for the Fierce dolls, I feel like they could have done better. They do have a fake ankle articulation. You move it, but it moves right back where you know, to the front. But Cleo's gorgeous. She has like these cute little tattoos on her arms. Like, check them out. Here, see? Cool. And then she has these little arm bangles, arm bands that have chains on them. And then she has this gorgeous like draping of fabric that are on her wrists. Her earrings are fabulous. She has hair cuffs on her braids, so she has 4 braids with hair cuffs, and this is what it looks like in the back. So she has that bob and then the hair cuffs. I think she's really pretty. Honestly, I think this doll is gorgeous. She's definitely worth it. Here's a little flaw. That's one thing that makes me mad. I know this doll wasn't cheap because she was on my wish list, but I didn't buy this doll for myself, so I'm reviewing this doll as a gift. But I think she's absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at all her extras. Like, even her earrings have chains on them. Like, we don't have that with any OMG doll. And then she even has the little, whoa, the long necklace, or the long, I forgot what they're called. Comment below if you know what these are called, that wrap around the neck. But she even has this, like, you know, belt. You can take it off, but she has this belt here that's gorgeous. Her shoes are fun. They're absolutely adorable. And I like this back flowy piece, you know. Oh, let me show you off her little skirt. So she has this little genie looking skirt. I wish they all came with second outfits, but they don't. So, and then it just has this flowy, like, you know, you can play with her as a kid, make her like a little, make her a little princess. There we go. Now she's posed kind of cute. And then she has the crotch stand where they just dangle there. And I don't really like these stands, to be honest with you. They're not flattering with the outfits. So I think that was a bad choice, but we'll get her on there. And here she is. So here's the OMG doll, and then she comes with this. She comes with this, so I think it's supposed to go on her back, and then it opens up or whatever, and then she has it like that. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it off just because I think she's prettier without it, and it's a little bulky. And then here's her crown that keeps falling off. So she has that. All right, now let's talk about Monster High Cleo de Nile. So Cleo has tinsel in her hair. Let's get those out real quick. I'm a genie in a bottle. You gotta rub me the right way. Oh, did you like my song, Spooky? Okay. So she does have hair tinsel, but the tinsel in her hair is so fun. Like, look at it. It's like a textured tinsel too. See? I can get it closer. But it's like a textured tinsel. It's really pretty. I think they did a really good job with it. It's not too crazy. It's not like staticky. So it's like a heavier tinsel. Let me, oh, I forgot. So she comes with a golden brush. The OMG doll did not come with any brush, which is fine because her hair's short. Ooh, comment below. Do you think Cleo Haute Couture should have come with a bob, or do you think she looks good with long hair? Hold on. Okay, so Cleo comes with this awesome Monster High stand, has a golden bottom, regular clip up top, And let me show you her outfit. So she has these beautiful little earrings that come with her, and I love them a lot. They have like some type of sapphire at the top. Just look at her eye makeup. And she comes with rooted eyelashes. So these are rooted. I think they're beautiful. So yeah, look at her lips. And then here is her top with her arms. I want to show you, it actually goes around to the back, the fringes. So she has like the little neck, like the little collar on. So she has a fringe coming down there. She has fringes here, and then she has fringes right here. She has fringes everywhere. See, fringes right here in the back, and fringes in her arms. So it's gonna kind of be a little bit difficult putting her on her stand just because the fringes, but we'll get her on there. And then she also comes with a golden top. I think it's just so lovely, and golden bottoms with this belt. I like the belt. I'm gonna leave it on. And then this is like some little pocket. I don't know what this is. Maybe her cell phone. So, and then look at these shoes. Monster High never disappoints with shoes. So this Cleo also comes with this golden scarab backpack that actually opens. You can put stuff in there. I think it's really beautiful. So I don't know, which one would I get for my child? It depends. I would want to get her this one, but I know that it would get kind of messed up kind of fast, and it would get broken a lot with those. So this is kind of maybe for an older child or a child that's pretty well used to playing with these types of dolls. If not, this is another great option because she does come with a little backpack so kids can still play with that. She does still have the fringes, so you do have that flowy like effect. And she's a little bit more simple, a little smaller. You can hold her in your hand, but I don't know which one I would prefer. Comment below and let me know which one you guys like better. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, comment below and click subscribe. Thanks everyone. Bye.